Hello, Parnassians. It's me again, Magister Beck, and it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's another episode of Minute to Win It. This is week 3. So week 1 we did the sock toss, week 2 we did the scarf toss thing, and this is week 3, and we're going to do a thing called Defying Gravity. It's pretty much going to be like the scarf toss, except you're going to use a balloon, a beach ball. I have a little rubber ball here that's pretty light. You can use a sock ball, any kind of ball you have. If you want to take a hoodie or a sweatshirt and roll it up and make a ball, you older scholars that are in volleyball, that want to use a volleyball, you can use volleyball. That'd be perfect. The main thing is you're going to get a ball that you can hit, and you're just going to use your dominant hand, the hand you write and throw with, for 60 seconds. So set that stopwatch, cell phone timer, kitchen timer to 60 seconds. And see how many times you can hit it in the air in 60 seconds. Again, it doesn't have to be just underhand. My right hand's my dominant hand, so I'd start with my right hand for 60 seconds, and then I'd switch over to my left hand and try doing it for 60 seconds with the left hand. Now, if the ball or balloon starts getting pretty high, you can hit it overhand. You basically can hit it whichever way you want for 60 seconds just to defy gravity and keep it in the air. So if you only get like 10 or 13 and it's only been 15, 20 seconds, that's all right. You can do it again or keep that score. You can do it as many times as you want to get the best score you want. And once you hit a minute, that's your cutoff. So find a ball, any kind of ball, make a ball out of socks or a hoodie, but just get some kind of a ball or even a small stuffed animal, I guess, like a hand-sized stuffed animal if you have one of those, or maybe even a teddy bear that's this size. But 60 seconds, start off with your dominant hand, the hand you write and throw with, and then your non-dominant hand. And basically you just have to do 60 seconds, unless you want to get a really high score to push yourself and get your goal. And that's about it. This is Magister Beck saying goodbye, and I'll see you next Wednesday.